Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a look that I just created. It's my go-to look for anywhere I'm going. I'm very mate, I can't bother to be doing my makeup for like 3 hours. It's just not my portion anymore. Let me not lie to you. So this literally takes me about 25 minutes to half an hour to do if I'm going out. If I was to go to, I don't know, for dinner or something, if I'm wearing something blue, I might put a bit of blue liner instead, just to jazz it up. But or if I'm just going for a meeting, I might not put the glitter on. You'll see how I do the glitter. It's so easy, so simple, so quick, and quite affordable as well. So yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for coming to my channel. Welcome to my channel, I should say. Mate, this is all new to me. Let me not lie. So if I'm saying things that I shouldn't be saying at the times I shouldn't be saying it, please forgive me, because, you know, this is all new to me. But I'll get there. I will get there. So give me a thumbs up, give me a, hey Charlie, what did they say? They say, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, subscribe, you know what I mean? And yeah, if you want to see how I created this simple, quick, neutral, natural, I wouldn't call it, no, it's not neutral, natural, it's more neutral glam. Yeah, neutral glam. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next channel. Thanks so much for, okay, maybe I'm talking too much, but thanks so much for, you know, tuning in, and hopefully I'll see you in my next channel, my next video. Actually, before I go, just to let you know, I'm currently recording my videos, well, my personal tutorials on my phone. I'm going to definitely get a camera. What I would like to ask, actually, any YouTubers out there, what would you advise that the best camera for a newbie to YouTube to start with? I do have a studio I go to do my clients' makeup, yeah, so then you might see a different in quality when I'm doing my clients' makeup and when I'm doing my own. But like I said, I'm definitely going to be getting a camera this well, probably this month, to be fair. But yeah, at the moment I'm just using my Huawei, however you say it. Yeah, so anyway, I'm talking way too much, and I usually really can't stand when people are talking so much in the intro, but I've taken, and I'm on that ship right now, so let me shut up and let you enjoy the tutorial. Apologies in advance if any of it is grainy. I know it might be. I'm just letting you know from now. I'm new to all of this, and I will get better, so don't worry about it. Thank you, and take care. Stay blessed. Hi guys, so let's just get straight into it. So firstly, I start off by cleaning my face. I use Embryolisse matte and Kiki mattifying primers as well. I've got some spots. I don't know why I've been breaking out, so I'm just using LA Girl, the orange corrector, not too much. And I'll just use my finger to dab it in. I'm going to use today the Morphe brow pomade in dark brown, and I'm just shaping my brows. My brows are tattooed anyway, but they kind of going green, let me not lie. So yeah, I use that. Then I go in with my LA Girl in Toffee to just clean up my brow. I'm also going to use the same concealer in a minute to cover my whole brow as well. Oh, but first I always go in with my eyeshadow color, my foundation color in the front of my brow, just to create a better gradient. So yeah, as I was saying, I use my concealer as my primer as well. Today I'll be using the Morphe 25D palette, I think it is. I only used 3 colours from the palette. I started off with a slightly darker brownie, burnt brown kind of colour for my crease. went in with a lighter brown at the top just to create a better gradient and a smoother transition. So that was my transition colour basically. I'm just blending away, blending, and then you can't see which two colours, but I used two darker brown colours on my lids. And if you've noticed, I really only used two brushes for this eye look because I couldn't be bothered. Let me know why to you. So here I'm lining my eyes with NYX matte liner, liquid liner in black obviously. My liner was giving me some small problems, but it was okay, it was fine anyway, it was no problem. So I'm just lining my eyes, making sure they're as equal as they can be. So this is my foundation. What I'm using today is Estee Lauder. I forgot what it's called. I'll put it in the description box. And this is what I do, people. I get my foundation. I get some broken powder that I can't use in my kit anymore. I put them together, rub it, and I rub it in my face. And that's me done with my foundation. I just don't have the time to be there with a beauty blender or with a brush. I literally put it on as a moisturizer, more or less, but it is good for, you know, you're able to spread it around. It warms, the products warm up in your hands as well. And also, with me putting a bit of powder in it, it makes it more mattified, if you can see. It's much more mattifying on my face. You can use any powder, you can use translucent powder, or you can just do it the natural way, putting the foundation on and then, you know, your powder. That's up to you. So just clean my hands, and then I just cleaned up my liners and then added some more concealer under my eye to create a highlighting effect. That's what the concealer does. It just naturally shows where you would be highlighted if, you know, it was constantly sunning in rainy London. But yeah, so you're just highlighting the natural parts of your face. Down the nose, I don't go too deep with my contouring in my nose and all of that, or highlighting in my nose, because I just don't. And then I'm just dabbing everything in with a brush as much as possible, just pressing it into my skin. And then I'm using Makeup Revolution's setting powder in Terracotta at the bridge of my nose and my under eye. And then I use the broken powder that I had used before to set everywhere else. And then I'm using another, it's an e.l.f. translucent powder that I'm using on the bridge of my nose and the highlighted area. Sorry I didn't show you, but I'll put everything in the description box. So that's what I'm just doing now. I'm just brushing everything away, the terracotta powder away, and using that. And then I use Rimmel Scandal Eyes cream liner for my eyes, just to brighten my eyes up a bit more. Then I went in with the dark brown that I had used on my lids, just to create a just to blend out what I had put under my eyes and make it a bit more smoky. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. And I think I put a bit more the transitional colour that I used as well, just to make it a bit more smoky. Just clearing off any excess. I then used a bit of blusher from a palette that I'll put in the description box, and then there you can see I am glowing myself up, you know what I mean? Just showing some natural glow. So I used Makeup Revolution's Vivid Rock something. I'll show you. I'm putting a bit on my brow bone as well, just to give that natural sheen. I always go over my highlighter areas with the brush that I was using for my powder, because I want everything to be blended properly. Here you can see I'm putting my eyelashes on. I didn't want to show you. I might do a tutorial of how I do my eyelashes. I'm just blending it in with mascara and you know, lashing my lower lashes as well. Not lashing them. What am I doing? Coating them. Then I went in with a crayon case lip liner. And I'm now finally going to show you how I do my lips that I constantly get asked about. Oh, here I forgot to grease my lips small, so I just put a bit of Vaseline. So I use MAC. You can use any type of red colour, pink colour, whatever colour lipstick you want to use. I was using MAC Ruby Woo here, the retro edition. And then I simply use some glitter that I bought from eBay, put some on my finger and tap it onto my lips, and that's all I do. I just went over my eyebrows with a bit of Morphe brushes, gel liner, brow gel liner, and then I set everything with Urban Decay All Nighter, and that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, I just realized that the editing was some way, but you know. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Please comment, subscribe, and share. And hopefully this is the beginning of, you know, more looks. Please let me know whatever looks you want me to do. I think I will do a few looks on this glitter lip that I do in different colors, so that you guys can see that you can do with absolutely any lipstick, any glitter of your choice. It's really, you know. So take care and see you in my next video. Bye.